kanya mo regular sing. I really this is the regular Barbie. Like a Barbie, me unicorn, me see me unicorn, yamak, kaka, balo niya sini. Like a Barbie, lean on the teacher, bend the wild day, to clean and warm. Warm cycling, that's the I will the ragam. Wake the Barbie that I will unicorn and the unicorn turn into a black, a pretty, and the wind like a Barbie. Unicorn, like a baby on the story I down. Once upon a time, he was a baby dragon. He stood across with the fire, then find mommy, said all that everyone scared the dragon. Dragon is very upset. Then after the dragon, the world. The little shaking, the earthquake, and all the bars are not working. Then there was a crash, and there was the emergency. They so at the wind to be safe. But this dragon very scary. Where are we? It's really the end. Ako mo story princess.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. I back little story princess. Once upon a time, he was a big, so big. Then on the winter, ivy is so big. Then I stop in the magic sprinkles. Mommy, Nanny Plum is a real Nanny Plum. A big bad wolf and I go so fast. Then the little princess is scared. And mine and why so elf the grandma's and scared. The wood is very up to it. It's so irie. We did the arm really today next and then I really squishy. Want some a story, Mama? Aku the princess and dragon. I will eat. Do ABC story.
Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now you know my ABCs. Next time Mama, I will let you do it.